Alright y'all, what's the deal, man? Inside of this short video, I'm gonna be showing y'all step by step how I've been able to utilize TikTok to go from zero to over $6,000 per month just using TikTok. Now what I love about this strategy is it's 100% free traffic, it's 100% beginner friendly. Literally anybody can do it. 12-year-olds are doing this on TikTok and making money and building a big following, all that good stuff. It's no spending months building up an audience. You don't got to pay for traffic. You don't got to show your face on camera. You don't need any expensive marketing tools or anything crazy like that. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. Now without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right, so before I show y'all like a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the results, I want to show y'all what I've been doing with my personal TikTok and how I've been growing it. So as you can see from my clothing brand, 7 Figures Clothing, over the last 30 days, I've been able to get almost 5,000 followers, almost 20,000 likes, and as you can see from the results that I showed at the start of this video, over $6,000 just using TikTok. I basically just post every single day. Of course, it's a strategy to everything, which I'm gonna be kind of going over inside of this video. Let me show y'all from the start my first videos. You can see my first video I uploaded here got 1,300 views. The next one got almost 1,600. Now imagine trying to do this on YouTube. Most people that do YouTube don't get views like this for months on end. So with TikTok, they actually boost organic reach. This is probably the only platform out of all the social medias that pushes organic reach. That's why everybody's going to it right now, and that's why people that's doing TikTok consistently is getting the results. So as you can see, I was getting 400 views. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just uploading. Then eventually, I got a video to hit 5,000 views, 2,600 views, 1,400, 2,000. Then I started, this is my first 10K video right here. So I'm like, okay, I started making sales from this video alone. So I was like, okay, TikTok, you got some potential. This video, almost 6,000, almost 6,000, 10,000, so I started to figure stuff out. Then I hit 54,000 video views on this video. 3,000, 10,000, 6,000, almost 4,000. So as you can see, the numbers is there. I haven't been doing TikTok consistently. Only been doing it for about 30 days, and I've been getting results like this. So 5,000 followers on TikTok in 30 days. Just posting 1 to 3 videos a day. Now, if you don't have your own product to promote, of course, you can go over to an affiliate network like ClickBank. You got JVZoo, you got Warrior Plus, bunch of digital product that you can go and promote it. Pretty sure everybody watching this video already got a ClickBank account. But if you don't, you can just go to clickbank.com and click on start here, go and create your account. Now what I want to do is show you a few examples of people who's actually using ClickBank products and getting results with TikTok, just like I am. So if you go to this page right here, weight loss fans, all they literally do, this page is all about posting weight loss tips. They got 60,000 followers, about 720,000 likes when they post. Let's scroll to the bottom. They don't even have that many videos. As you can see, if it's 5, each row 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So they got about 55, almost 60 videos on their page. And mind you, these videos, if you click on any of the videos, as you can see, all they got is a video in the background and some text over it, and it's 10 seconds long. And this video literally got 40,000 views to it. Now can you imagine? Then they got the link in the bio right here. Burn stubborn belly fat. They click the link in their bio. It will take them here. Click on open anyway. So I'm gonna show y'all how to replicate all of this stuff, man. It's very, very simple. Boom. You don't need a landing page. You can send them directly to your affiliate offers straight from your TikTok. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick where to get the background videos and where to come up with text. This is where I go to get free videos. If you want to replicate videos exactly like this, where it's just a background video, and then all you have to do is just place text over it. What you can do is go to pexels.com. Let's say, for instance, this video, we want to replicate this one. So I end up searching girl jumping rope. Let me filter it by videos to see if we can. Matter of fact, it's the same exact video, as you can see right here. This video is only 10 seconds long, and it's literally just a girl jumping rope. And guess what? You can download this video 100% free. You don't need a membership. You don't need to no trials or anything. It's literally just a free download. You can see it's just a girl jumping rope in slow motion. It's 23 seconds long, but on TikTok, to go viral, you want videos 12 seconds or less. So all he did was just crop it when he was uploading it, and then just put on text over the screen. I just manifested whoever watches this entire 10-second video will achieve their dream body and get in the best shape in the next 2 months. Literally. Guess what? Free download. Downloading on my computer right now. So what I would do is just take that same video, create an account similar to this one, and add the same text on the screen. And voila, this video got almost 10,000 views. Now out of 10,000 views, just imagine getting, you know what I'm saying, a handful of sales on whatever product that they're promoting. And on ClickBank, they got a gajillion weight loss products that you can go promote. Most of them pay anywhere between $25 to I think like $75. So imagine making $100 a day just posting 10-second videos just like this. Now, in order to do this without a landing page, you will need a Linktree account, or this is what I use instead of Linktree, solo.to. One bio link for everything. So if you're promoting multiple affiliate links, this is the best option to go. Or if you're just promoting one, it still works. So that way, because if you put your affiliate link on your TikTok account, more than likely they'll ban you. So you can use this as a bridge page. And same thing with this, it's 100% free. So you'll go create an account on solo.to. This is what the home page will look like. And what you would do is grab your affiliate link from ClickBank, go down to the links and embeds, click on add new link, URL. Let's say, let's see where it takes them. Let's just say we want our link to go to clickbank.com. Just for demonstration, URL, you'll paste in ClickBank weight loss solution. Boom. You can highlight it if you want to, all that extra stuff. Click on done, and then save. Now if you go open that link in a new tab, go copy it, paste, scroll down, weight loss solution right here. As soon as you click on it, take you straight to ClickBank. So that's pretty much the basic setup. Now if you wanted tips, well, basically where they come up with the tips at, you can go to, you can easily just do a Google search, weight loss tips. You can go to Ezine articles. Let's see, weight loss tips. Search that up on there. Boom, 4 quick weight loss tips you should try. You can download videos like this on Pexels and then put those 4 tips over these videos and make it 10 to 12 seconds long. And just do that consistently 1 to 3 times per day. Monetize your TikTok account, like I was just saying a few seconds ago. You want to post 1 to 3 times per day for 30 days straight. Like I said, I've been able to take my account from 0 to almost 5,000 followers, and I was only posting once. Some days I post three times in a single day, but most of the time I was doing 1 post per day. And over the last 30 days, I've been getting really good results with TikTok and my clothing brand. I actually just opened up 2 new TikTok accounts. I'm about to start doing affiliate marketing with it as well. Basically multiply my results. So yeah, first things first is just posting 1 to 3 times per day, and then placing your link in your bio after you get 1,000 followers. When you start your TikTok account, you're gonna need at least 1,000 followers in order to place a link in the bio. Good thing about TikTok is you can upload your first video, and if it goes viral, you can get 1,000 followers easily within 24 hours. So I wouldn't worry about getting 1,000 followers, because it's not like YouTube where it takes months to get, you know what I'm saying, 1,000 subscribers. You can get 1,000 followers on TikTok within the same week of posting if you're consistent. Then last but not least, you want to add a call to action inside of every single video. So at the end of all your videos, you want to direct people, telling them to go click the link in your bio if they want to learn. More. It's basically just an intro to TikTok affiliate marketing. Of course, it's a lot more details with going viral, you know, learning what hooks to use inside of your video, the video links, trending sound, different call to actions, best times to post, editing tips, all that stuff, man. So I'm releasing a TikTok affiliate marketing course on May 23rd, man. I'm going to be dropping more videos on YouTube with more examples, demonstrations, and all that stuff, so y'all can get a real good feel to it before the course drop next week. At the time of making this video, today is, let me see, today is Monday, May 16th. The course is dropping next Monday, May 23rd. If you want to get 50% off of this TikTok affiliate marketing course during launch week, I highly recommend you go and join the private Facebook group. The link below this video. Like I said, I'm gonna be releasing way more details over the next week before I drop the course, as well as bonuses and things like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. I'm about to be dropping videos like this on a consistent basis, covering TikTok, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and other strategies. So yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.